Welcome to this new video from Hinelson Academy titled How to Clean Your Boat's Tank, where I'll show you how to clean and sanitize it. Not just the tank, but the entire plumbing system using the boat. Very often, this kind of operation is considered less necessary, but if you plan to winterize your boat for several months, it's absolutely necessary to carry out this type of cleaning operation. It's a relatively simple job, but not one to be underestimated, because stagnant water harbors a lot of little creatures that are definitely not good for human health. Just so we're clear, if you leave your boat sitting for 6 months with water inside the tanks, that water will become perfect for limescale deposits, impurities, biofilm, algae, and slime. Before we start though, I want to remind you that water is a precious resource and should be used sparingly.
What will we use? Gloves, a Starbright type sponge, cloth, absorbent towel, cleaning product, sanitizer. How do we proceed? First of all, let's make sure we've opened the valves of all the tanks on the control panel. Once that's done, we'll need to drain all the water from the system. How do you do that? This boat actually has 7 sinks. Alright, let's open them all. Remember to also turn the kitchen faucet to hot water so you can drain the boiler circuit as well. You'll know when the water is gone. That's when the faucets will start sputtering with bursts of water and air, and the water pump will seem to be running for nothing. Let the pump run for at least a minute with the faucets open. In this case, we're cleaning water tanks that are integrated with the hull. Today, the most commonly used material is polyethylene because of its cost, weight, durability, and ease of installation.
Remember that just emptying the system and the tank isn't enough to preserve it. There will always be a few liters of water left inside. Those few liters will become a breeding ground for bacteria. To check the inside of your tank, ideally you'd use an endoscopic camera, but since we're not CIA spies, a smartphone will do. Set it to video mode, insert it into the tank with the flash on, so you can inspect the inside. This will give you an idea of what's inside your tank and how best to clean it.
In any case, arm yourself with cleaner, a sponge, and a cloth. And start removing any residue and everything you can reach through the inspection cap. After cleaning by hand, get a water hose so you can rinse the inside of the tank. After that, you'll need to empty the tanks again. For the second phase of this process, you'll need to get a sanitizing cleaner. Pour it into all the tanks, fill them up, open the faucets until water comes out again, and then close them back up. It's better to let it sit and work. After a day, empty the system again to remove the sanitizer. Our cleaning is done. Now fill the tanks and drain all the water inside them one more time to rinse them out and remove any leftover sanitizing cleaner.
As you can see, this process was easy, but after all this cleaning, how about testing your system with a nice hot shower?
Get a fantastic 5% off your entire purchase by simply using the special code NTUB10 at checkout. To make sure you don't miss any updates, remember to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. See you in the next video.